Good morning everyone! So I don't think na I was able to talk kanina kasi I was so busy doing stuff around here. Pero actually, anong oras na? It's 6:19 already and I'm gonna be preparing for school mamaya mga 6:30. Pero I really wanted to work out kasi meron akong bagong set of workout clothes. So, oh my gosh! Talagang siningit ko pagising ko, nilabhan ko yung binabad ko na uniform ko kasi binabad ko siya kagabi. Kasi kahapon, I was very prone sa mga nabubuhos and everything. So, medyo natalsikan siya. Kaya binabad ko siya agad kagabi and then, kanina madaling araw, like around 4, 5-ish, nilabhan ko na siya and then yan nakasampay na para pagdating ko, pag uwi ko, okay na siya. And then, right after that, naghugas ako ng plato. And then, I worked out. And then, eto na. Eating my breakfast. May gagawin pa akong assignment. Wala kasi akong 1/2 index card. So, bibili pa ako mamaya sa 7-Eleven after ko mag-prep. I'm gonna be preparing real quick kasi anong oras na. So, I'm gonna stop talking and enjoy ko muna to for a bit. For a little while. Okay? Kapagod mag-blend. Ay! Takes so much effort. Pero, it's all worth it. Nakakaloka. Ay, hindi ka pagiging maganda. Alam niyo ba guys, nagmamadali na ako. Sa lagay na to, nagmamadali ako. Kasi may gagawin pa akong assignment. Pero, hinati ko naman na yung oras ko and I think I can finish it on time. Well, I have to finish it on time. So, hindi muna ako magsasalita masyado because I have to focus. Diyan lang muna kayo, okay? Pwede ba? Kasalanan nyo pa. Okay, we got the good. Nakabili ako ng 1/2 index card. Ito yung kailangan namin for our assignment na ipapasok today. Buti na lang, meron sa 7-Eleven. Dalawang 7-Eleven pa yung napuntahan ko kasi yung una, which is yung mas malapit sa akin, wala silang index card na 1/2. So, nagawa mo na ako ng assignment. Okay. This is the final look. Mag-check muna tayo. Ayan, kala mo naman. Ayan, so mag-black shoes lang ako. And this is my everyday look sa lab. I don't think makakapag-film ako kasi bawal kami mag-phone. But whenever I can, I'm gonna be updating you guys. So, alis na ako kasi malilate na ako. Bye!
Pwede maka-video. Pero, ito lang. Ako yung kayo niya. Nag-video ako kanya. Wala gano'n. Ay, hindi. Wala. Hindi. Yun na ako nakagamit ng phone actually. Hi guys. Nag-Netflix pa ako. Natapos mo wala mo.
Yung basa niya. Yung card guys. Ang ipapato ka kung tapos pwede na yun.
Sige, magpa-laminate na lang ako.
Palaminate ka siya na. Sige, magpapato ka siya.
Hello, everyone!
Hello! Pauwi na kami. Ilibre ako ni Olfat ng 500.
Ay, sana all! Gusto ko rin malibre ng 1K.
Utang na yun!
Utang pala
Sorry
yun.
kasi nagdating
Hi
yung-
guys, so maaga kami ni-release ngayon kasi kailangan namin ng mag-process.
Ay, hindi ako makasali. Magsaging ata kami kasi si Olfat mahilig siya ng saging.
Ayan na.
Aray,
Saging ng
ang sigawan saging. Ayan.
Hi guys! It's all fun again! Oh my God!
Hi.
Hindi nyo na-feel, pero matagal kami hindi nagkikita ni Olfat,
Adoy,
guys.
adoy.
Ngayon lang ulit kasi, ano namin, maaga kami pinalabas.
Yung broken try.
Hindi na kami magkita, guys. Oh my God! Ay, itong first ko na
vlog sa whole rotation.
Sa whole? Bakit? Wala ka na. Ay,
Bawal ba? Mag-phone. Yay, maaga kami pinalabas. Yay.
Nakasaging pa ako.
Saging is life.
Hello guys! So, just got home. Maaga nga kaming pinalabas for today's video kasi pinaasikaso kami sa mga documents na need naming ipasa for our internship. So, before deployment, kailangan mapasa silang lahat. And, fortunately, tapos ko silang lahat. Kailangan ko na lang silang ipa-photocopy para ipasa tomorrow, which is yung deadline. So, ngayon, wala akong need na asikasuhin maliban sa isang test. So, maybe tomorrow ko na yun kasi cut off na din. So, now, nakauwi na ako. I'm so happy kasi guys, minsan lang to. Kasi, usually, very late na ako nakakauwi. Hindi naman super late, pero like, you know, mga ano na, like, alas 6, ganyan. So, anyways, pagdating ko, meron akong parcel. I'm gonna open it with you. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, wait. This is this curling iron. Next is this for face. Yung ganun. Pampav ng face. Pampatanggal ng wrinkles and everything. And the next is this solution. Ay! Contact lens solution for my contact lenses. Lotion. Tapos next is 2-in-1 mascara and eyeliner. Okay. Ayan. We have here the mascara. And then, on the other end, is eyeliner. Next, hairspray. Ayan. Meron to sa TikTok ko. If you guys follow me there, nandun to sa aking TikTok shop. So, you may check it there. This is a dry shampoo. As a person na hindi masyado nagbabasa ng buhok everyday, kasi syempre guys, that's not healthy sa ating hair. Yung everyday siyang sinashampoohan, binabasa, ganun. Yan. Mura lang to. Like, around 100 something or less or 100 plus. Basta hindi to 200. Next is black spot na contact lenses. Eto guys, yung contact lens ko na ganito, parang nabutas ko siya. So, ayan. Next is this Omnia Amethyst Women's Perfume. Oh my gosh! Ooh, okay. Ayan siya guys. Sweet Night. Okay. It smells sweet. We have these earrings. This is the first one. Ito yung necklace. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Next is this bracelet. You guys, this is so cute. Merong initial ko. That's so cute. Ito yung nauuso, diba? Yung big pendants or like big initials. Wait. I'm gonna wear it. Ayan, it looks so cute. Ta-da! This is the first pair of earrings. Ayan. Ito naman yung isa pang pair. My gosh, nakakamiss yung mga ganitong earrings. Kasi before guys, nagbibenta ako ng mga ganitong earrings, type of earrings. Diba? Ang cute nila. Cutie! Next, itong Chanel one. Ayan. Last but not the least, definitely not the least, is this one. It's my name. Oh my god. Ang cute, diba? As you can tell, I am obsessed with my initial. Ayun sila. So, ayun. That's all for this quick haul. Yes, I'm gonna end this vlog here. So, yun lang yung nangyari sa akin for the whole day today. hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa mismong duty namin kasi bawal ako mag-phone. Bawal kami mag-phone kapag duty hours. So, ayun. Basta na-busy lang kami sa mga laboratory stuff. And then, nag-lunch. And then, balik sa lab. And then, early dismissal. And then, ayun na. Ayun. That's all for today. This is my first and last skills lab vlog. Ayun. Super haba ng... like, medyo mahaba yung skills lab namin. Pero ngayon pala ako nakapag-vlog because meron ako mga pending na meron ako mga pending na vlog. So, yun yung inuna ko and in-upload ko. So, eto na siya ngayon. Ngayon pala ako nakapag-vlog ng like, real time. Anyways, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. I think, mag-vlog din ako kapag like, duty na talaga. Like, sa hospital. Kapag pwede mag-phone. Okay, so pag pwede lang. Pag hindi, then will not do it. Of course, ayaw natin ng extension. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!